Are you ready to start your business in one of the most tax-friendly states in the US? Florida is a top choice for entrepreneurs worldwide, offering zero state income tax, fast approvals, and a strong business environment. Whether you're a US resident, a non US resident, forming a Florida LLC is one of the smartest ways to build a global business. Whether you're running an e commerce store, freelancing, or scaling your brand, this structure gives you flexibility and access to the US market. In this video, I'll show you the exact step-by-step process to register your Florida LLC, protect your personal information, and get your EIN for US banking. To get started, click the official setup link in the video description below or visit llctutor.com. Open that link now so you can follow along step by step. Once the page loads, you will see the formation portal. Under company details, enter your company name. Make sure your name is unique and ends with LLC. Next, under where do you want service, select Florida. Then, under type of business, select LLC. For the question, should we send copies of lawsuits to your attorney? Simply choose no, unless you have a specific legal reason. Now, enter your business purpose. Something simple like e-commerce and online services. Under physical address, you want on record with the state. Select our registered agent address if you don't have a physical office in Florida. This helps keep your personal address private. If you're a US resident with a local address, you can select your mailing address. Next, choose your management type. Select member managed if you will run the business yourself. Choose manager managed only if someone else will manage your company. Now, for list members with the state, select list with the state. I recommend this because most of banks and partners need to see your name on official state documents to verify you as the owner. Now, enter your first name and last name exactly as they appear on your official ID. Once everything is done, click Continue. Now you will move to Business Identity. Here you will see options like phone service, domain name, and email service. I highly recommend adding the phone service if you are a non-US resident. A US phone number is very important for bank accounts approvals and platforms like Stripe, Amazon, and PayPal. Then click Continue. Next, you will see the contact info page. Enter your real details, including your first name, last name, phone number, country, address, city, state, and zip code. This information is private and used only for account setup. Now, under Create Account, enter your email and password. This will give you access to your dashboard where you can manage everything and download your documents. Click Continue. Now you will reach the billing details page. Enter your payment information here. And click Submit Order. After payment, you will see an option to add EIN, tax ID. EIN is issued by the IRS and is required to open a US bank account and receive payment. If you want to apply for an EIN yourself completely free, you can follow the step-by-step guide available on llctutor.com. The link is in the description below. But if you want a done-for-you solution, simply add the EIN service here. Then click Continue and finalize your order. Florida LLC approvals are fast. In most cases, your company is approved within a few business days, and your EIN is processed after that. Once everything is ready, log into your dashboard. From there, go to Account and click Documents. Here, you can download your formation document, operating agreement, initial resolution, and EIN letter. Congratulations! Your Florida LLC is now active. Your next step is to open a US business bank account, connect it to Stripe, and start accepting payments globally. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe to LLC Tutor for more step-by-step business guides. All official and trusted links are in the description below. I recommend using them to get started smoothly and follow the exact process shown. Start with Florida LLC today. Thanks for watching.